In this video, I'll demonstrate how to create a line chart using the survey data that I collected on the impact of email to help identify trends and patterns in my data. To get started, I'll open the cleaned up version of my survey responses based on the impact of email in Google Sheets. For this chart, I'd like to take a look at the average societal impact rating based on age and gender. To do this, I'll create a line chart to show the comparison, but first I'll need to create a pivot table that contains the data that I need. To create a pivot table, I'll select Insert, Pivot Table, and I'll create it on a new sheet. To get the data that I want to chart, I need to add a row and select the How old are you question to get the ages. For the value, I want to see the average rating for the societal impact question. So next to Values, I'll click Add, and I'll select the societal impact question. Then under Summarize By, I'll choose Average. Now I want to add gender to the mix. To do this, I'll add a column and select the gender question. And now we can see the average societal impact ratings broken down by age and gender. So now we're ready to create a line chart based on this data. With the pivot table selected, I'll go to Insert, Chart, and I'll change the chart type to Line. I'll also go ahead and give the chart a more meaningful title by clicking on the title and calling it The Impact of Email on Society Based on Age and Gender. This chart helps me notice that there are a couple dips in the average societal impact rating for both males and females, but for the most part, both males and females similarly rate the societal impact of email as being high, between 4 and 5.